This is really embarrassing. Stop it. It's like following a fact.
Okay, find the scissors. No, they're in the kitchen.
No, probably right here.
No. I know how slippery it is over there. Rob polished the chairs and it got all over the floor.
Why is it so slippery over here?
It's way too funny. Just slide across. Slide across it over there. Let's burn it off. Okay, try and slide across the floor like right over here and then try it over there.
What?
You don't slide like anywhere over here, and then when you're over there, you
Okay. Dude, take a different clip. If I didn't grab onto the couch, I would have smacked my head off the floor.
just... Like that.